Good morning, everyone. My name is Katrina if you're new, and I am quite pregnant. When this video goes out, I will be probably 32, 33 weeks pregnant, and I am trying to get ready for the baby amidst all of the chaos from this virus that is going on. So I have more time at home, but I am still working full-time from home, so I'm not bored, but I do have more time at home. So I am washing all of the clothing for the baby. I do have a 21-month-old, and so I have lots of clothes from him, as well as I've bought things. So I'm washing all of that, and I'm sorting it into bins. So I've got a boys bin, a girls bin, and then I'm just doing like the neutral clothes. Oh, sorry, out of breath from pregnancy. So the boys bin and the girls bin I'm going to pack away because we don't know what we're having, and when the baby's born I'll pull out the appropriate bin, but the neutral clothes I will already put into the drawers of the dresser. So hope that makes sense. But yeah, right now it's a lot of washing, folding, sorting, and hopefully that will help me get things organized for this baby. I tried to also get things washed, like all of the blankets, and this is the car seat cover, and I washed the actual car seat liner and bibs and all that kind of stuff so that everything is clean and ready to go, especially because it's not new stuff, it's stuff that I had from my firstborn. I'm hoping that when I get through all of this that I will feel like I have enough gender-neutral clothing that combined with either the boy or the girl, it's okay. I know I have enough boy stuff, but girl stuff I'm not as sure if I have enough. I'm sure I can just make do, but I'm not as confident in what I have just because I haven't looked at it from that perspective. So I'll have to kind of make piles and see that I have at least enough sleepers for different sizes. I think especially when I'm getting rid of stuff that's really badly stained, then that also kind of like changes how many things I have. Alright, so I've got all the baby's clothes washed, sorted, and in bins or ready to go into drawers. I'm just going to show you what I've done. So this is all the newborn stuff that's gender neutral that will go in the drawer. This is 0 to 3 months that will also go in the next drawer. Then this here, baby 3 to 6, that will be the next size up. So I'll pack it away, but it's easy to get at. And then I have the boy bin and the girl bin. The boy bin is 0 to 6 months because after that I obviously have more stuff left over from my firstborn. The girl stuff is all the girls' clothing that I have collected. So I don't own anything else besides that, so it's 0 and up. So depending what we have, I'll just use one of those bins and the other one will stay packed away. And then here I've got receiving blankets, and easy diaper change, little outfits, that kind of thing, all here. So I don't know exactly where I'm going to put that stuff, but it's all together. Alright, I apologize for the lighting, it's not great, but I am going to put the 0 to 3 size stuff in here. This is not really what I'm going to be using for the baby. This is just kind of so that it's close by, and when the baby grows out of the newborn size, all I have to do is take it out of this drawer and put it on the other side of the dresser, and it'll already be organized. So if there's something that I already want to look for, that maybe the baby ends up being bigger than, you know, the last one was, then I can just open up this drawer and it's not like in a bin somewhere. So for now I just have all of the sleepers on this side, socks and shoes on that side, and over here I have the little onesie shirts as well as pants or anything of that sort. So on the other side of the room, I'm going to put all of the newborn / things that I know I will need as soon as the baby is born. So these will be really easy to get at, and it'll be nice and organized, and it will also be on the same side of the room where I keep diapers and wipes, so that means everything's kind of together and easy to access. And then I'm just going to use this second drawer for things that are not clothing, so receiving blankets and the little snuggly things, that sort of thing. So we did still own a playpen from Levi, but the thing is that he has it at Grandma's house and he uses it to sleep there. And since he'll be staying at Grandma's when the baby is born, we figured probably better just to leave the playpen there and get a new playpen for over here. Definitely doesn't hurt us to own 2 playpens. So I mostly wanted to make sure that everything was okay since we had it shipped to us. Nothing broken, that we knew how to use it. So Levi and I, on one of our more gray days, decided we would get this all set up and just make sure that everything worked, as well as that it fit in the spot that we were wanting to put it, and that it was definitely what we had ordered. So there you have it. We got it all set up. It definitely took us a few minutes, but we got it figured out. Levi insisted on putting the cardboard in there, but I kind of like that this one's just very neutral looking. And we will take this back down. Again, I just want to make sure all the parts were there, nothing was broken, that we knew how to set it up. And this will move to our bedroom. So I will probably just measure it to see how much space it's going to take up to make sure that the spot that I've left for it actually works. So I just need to rearrange a couple of items on the one end of the bedroom here so that I can measure to make sure that the playpen will fit, as well as kind of have that space more or less ready so that I don't have to do that closer to when the baby actually arrives. Okay, so it's not pretty, but we decided to do it this way. So this dresser is now on this side, this here's over here, and the playpen is going to go like that direction over here. I just got it underneath the chair for now. So like the area is ready, just the chair needs to be moved and the playpen set up. So I don't want to leave it set up quite yet because it's going to be in the way when we don't have the baby here yet. So I have the space ready, playpen's there, I know how to set it up. And it's one step closer to bringing baby home. Don't mind the noise. Levi is just getting the last of the vacuuming done. Good job! So for Levi, I always just had diapers and wipes in a basket like this, and I thought it worked really well. So I think I'm just going to do the same for the baby. So they'll have the 2 side by side. I throw just wet but diapers, no poopy diapers in there. So that will just make it easy, and I, to be honest, just change the baby on the bed because it's a nice high bed, so it's just as easy as using a change table. So I need to install this car seat base, and that sounds simple, but it's of course never that simple. I also want to switch which spot the baby and Levi are in, so I have to take his car seat out, and then I need to clean the spot where he was sitting because it is disgusting, which means using the vacuum, which means getting an extension cord, etc., etc. So that is my project for right now. Alright, so here we go. I need to get the extension cord to extend long enough that I can reach the vacuum to the van, so that way I can clean up this mess. I will show you a before because it is really bad. Mostly because my little one wears his boots back and forth between our place and the barn, and so, ugh, it is disgusting. So here's a little before for you. Like, gross. So bad. I have got to clean that. I'm sure, as you can imagine, with nesting, I cleaned this and then proceeded to clean and vacuum and wipe down the rest of the van, sort out the compartments underneath, and, you know, do the whole works. So at least that is good for when the baby comes. And here is the after. Look at that, it's clean. It's not perfect, but definitely happy with that. So we installed the base. Now we're going to try it out with the car seat. What do you think, Levi? Is that good? Levi, do you like that?
Yeah.
You want to go up? Well, thanks guys for coming along and seeing how I'm getting ready for the baby. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe and join the community here. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!